Welcome back to German Brew. Today a summer lavender cider. Okay, today we make a cider that's a mix between a cider and mead. It's made of course with honey. I choose the lavender honey and I choose apple juice. Of course, it's a cider. First of all, I need to do something I never do normally, but this yeast I use here is a French cider yeast. It's already for I think a half year in my fridge. I don't know if it's still active, so we will activate the yeast in some apple juice and then we will see. Okay, what we have here is some pure apple juice from Lidl. Ingredients: 100% juice. Okay, we put a little bit here inside the beaker. Maybe that's enough. 200 milliliter. We use the 2 liter anyway. Then the yeast. Smells like yeast. Shake it a little bit and then we put it to the side. We have here some lavender honey. It's from the grocery. Here they write it, the company who sell it is felixhimstedt.com. It's in Bavaria. I see it. It's a big seller for food. And I think he buy a lot of honey and sell it cheap. So yes, it's not from the beekeeper, but it's lavender honey and it's really good. First of all, we put the honey in the fermenter. Fermenter is really big, so let's do it. For this, of course, I need a spoon. And I like the glasses because you can see they have the reusable. That's why we keep them also. It's a little bit crystallized already, but it's no problem. I buy it, I think, already half year. No, when did I buy it? I think somewhere in autumn. I buy it already sometimes in autumn. Of course, I use the smallest funnel I found. Oh, it's really crystallized. I think I need to heat it a little bit. You can see it. It's already some sugar crystals. If I put them here now, I think it's difficult to bring it inside. It is. So I need to wait a little bit until this one is not crystallized anymore. I will put it now in 40 degrees hot water because it's down there, it's more crystallized. Okay, the honey is more liquid now. It's still crystallized, but it will flow better. Yeah, you can see it. It works a little bit better. So in this time we can see what the yeast did. Nothing. Okay, to make it a little bit faster, I put now a little bit apple juice inside. Close it. Put the spoon by the side because he make it. It's starting to shake already. Okay, you can see it's already loose a little bit of the honey. Now more. So once again, it's plugged. Okay, I make it really mess, but no problem. We use the rest of the apple juice here. Now we have 2 liter apple juice. Okay, we have here water, 1 liter. Just 1 liter filtered water, and we will check again. Okay. I will put a little bit more water. The funnel I put inside, but upside down, so the water can dissolve the rest honey. Now I need to clean first, and then I will shake. It's clean now. The good thing is this one have a cap. I can close it and then shake it. I think I need more water, more of the water. Now we have already 2 liters, okay, almost 2 liter apple juice and 1 liter water. It's heavy. So, okay, no success. I will use this one again. So, the yeast is not really active. I hope for a little bit foam or something that would be still alive, but no chance. But this is no problem. I will put some other yeast and then I can just use this as nutrients. One of the yeast will be nutrients. So, okay, no Gozdawa cider yeast. Then we use a table wine yeast, 12%. So I'm pretty sure it becomes dry. I also wanted to make it maybe carbonated. Just put it inside and it still can wait a little bit. Now the honey is dissolved. We will put the fresh yeast. I hope this one works. And putting 1 liter more water. 1 liter of filtered water again. Put it. Smells still good like apple. And now shaking again. And now it's 5 kilos. So we put a lot of oxygen inside. And of course we mix it. Now check the gravity. I think it will be around 1.07 because we having we have the juice that normally is 1.04, 1.05, something around this, and we have the 2 liters water with 1 kilo honey that normally is 1.110. So I hope it's around the 1.07. Let's check. Oh, it's already floating. Almost 1.08. 82. Okay, 1.082. This can go here. This can go here. But it's still a good gravity. Not too much alcohol. And this one goes also here inside, but a little bit. Apple and honey. The lavender honey is really nice taste. So, okay, that's already done. Now the airlock. Still some sanitized water. Okay. Here I'll put now some cheap alcohol, so when it came in my liquid, it's no problem, but no bugs can go inside normally, and then it's done. I hope it will start good and soon, in maybe 4, 5, 6 weeks it's done, and then we can continue. So, I hope you like these videos and give it a thumbs up. Here are 2 more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and we see you the next time. Bye.